We were sent this kneeling pad by Sleek Gardens for our review, and honestly, I'm really excited because I've never had one of these before, but I definitely think it is something really useful. I'm sure right away you're thinking, huh? What is this? What do you do? So, first of all, you're just going to go ahead and pop that middle piece out, and this is how you are going to carry it around. And basically, anytime you're going to do any kneeling, so let's say you're in the garden, right? And you're on your hands and knees and you're doing all your garden work. After a while, your knees are going to start to hurt. What if you have like a baby or a toddler in the bathtub? You want to put this next to the bathtub and you're sitting beside them and you're helping them, in the bath. Or let's say you're working on your car, changing a tire, doing something like that. Anytime you need to be kneeling, this is going to help protect your knees. So let's go put it on the floor and let me show you. So let's say I was outside here in the garden and I would need to like weed all of this area here. I would have to have my knees on this hot, hard cement. Now I'm on this like cushiony here. As you can see how thick it is. It is super comfortable. I fit on here very well. There are two different sizes and different colors. This is the smaller size. So of course, if you want a little room on the sides, you can go ahead and get the bigger one. But honestly, this is just protecting my knees and I could be out here for hours. It's great.